So, there's some new Figma features out this month. Let's check them out. First up, smart symbols for all fonts. So, Figma now automatically transforms common character combinations into beautifully rendered symbols, like the copyright, registered, and unregistered trademark symbols, and even the left and right arrows. This means that whether you're designing in a sleek sans serif font or a quirky display font, you can now turn on the Use Smart Quotes/Symbols option and watch as Figma handles the rest. But this update isn't just a neat trick. It improves typography consistency across your designs, helping you keep your layouts clean and professional. Next, let's talk about Figma Slides. Now, Figma Slides is officially out of beta, and with that comes a host of new features designed to help you elevate your presentation game. Here's a few highlights. You can now seamlessly import and export your PowerPoint files, making it easier to collaborate with non-Figma users or transfer your slides to other platforms. There's also scrubbing and playback options right inside the editor, which lets you preview and fine-tune embedded videos without leaving your designs. On top of that, you can also add numbers to slides and create consistent and reusable components that streamline your deck's design. But these updates aren't just perfect for sharing your ideas in a visually engaging way. They also make Figma Slides a powerful tool for design and collaboration. And lastly, let's explore improvements to Figma's file browser as part of the UI3 redesign. Navigating through your projects has never been easier thanks to these updates. Now, not only have we got updated file cards, which make it easier to scan and locate files quickly, but also card designs are now consistent with workspaces, teams, and projects, making navigation more intuitive. And then there's also the updated iconography and refined UI components, which enhances organization and makes the file browser more efficient. And I know at first glance these tweaks might not seem like much, but they're all about boosting your workflow and making sure you spend less time looking for files and more time designing. And that wraps up our look at Figma's latest updates. Leave a comment below on which feature you're most excited about, and if you found these updates helpful, make sure to subscribe to LogRocket for more UX design tips.